It's a lot of work, but I have some shortcuts. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making chestnut paste, a sweetened and an unsweetened version. You can use the unsweetened version for soup, gnocchi or stuffing, but it is also the base to make the sweetened version that you can use for desserts or snacks. Making the unsweetened chestnut paste from scratch is a lot of work. You don't have to. You can buy chestnuts already boiled and peeled. However, if you have a chestnut tree and want to make it with your chestnuts, I will show you how to peel them. Peel the outer hard shell of the chestnuts using a sharp knife. Place the peeled chestnuts in boiling water to help loosen the inner skin. Drain the chestnuts after boiling for a few minutes and carefully remove the remaining inner skin while warm. While peeling the chestnuts, be vigilant for any signs of worms or spoilage. It will take you forever, but at least you're sure there are no bugs in there. If you want to skip this part, you can buy chestnuts already boiled and peeled. Once you have your peeled chestnuts, you can proceed to make your unsweetened paste. Place the chestnuts back into boiling water until they are softened. You can check their consistency with a wooden spoon. Remove the chestnuts from the water, setting the water aside for later use if you're making the sweetened paste. Pass the cooked chestnuts through an electric strainer to create a smooth, fine puree. I use the KitchenAid strainer that will automatically remove any skin left, but you can use a manual vegetable strainer. This homemade unsweetened chestnut puree is a blank canvas for culinary creativity. You can use it to make savory gnocchi, stuffing, or a sweet Mont Blanc dessert, and even gelato. We are going to use it to make the sweetened chestnut paste, crème de marron. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Place the homemade chestnut puree into the pan. Pour in the cooking liquid that was set aside after boiling the chestnuts. Incorporate the sugar, the vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of cocoa. Optionally, pour rum into the mixture for a complex warming note. I prefer a more refined flavour and add cognac instead. Simmer the mixture, stirring occasionally until it thickens into a paste. Let it cool down to room temperature before serving it. This versatile, sweet chestnut paste can be served in many ways to suit any occasion. If you're in the festive spirit, use it as the icing on a Swiss roll to create a stunning Christmas log, or simply layer it with meringue to make a chestnut pavlova. If you're in the mood for something sweet, spread it on warm toast or use it as a filling for crepes. I spread it on a slice of apple for a quick and healthy treat. For more recipes with chestnuts, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Forget the shortcuts. I will peel them one by one to ensure there are no worms. Yuck!